Hi, David here of Lancaster Honda. We've got a 1 litre VTEC Honda Civic 21 plate. So it's currently on about 15,000 miles, but it has been serviced every 5,000 miles, so it's got 3 service stamps, obviously all this year. And it's in great condition, so I thought I'd just give you a walk around, show you the condition of the vehicle, show you some of the features you get with the SR model, and we'll go from there. So we'll just start the back corner on the driver's side. So start with the alloys. Great design on those. Now I'll just give you the shot down the side because it lets you know if there's any dents or anything there, because you can see them very clearly. As you can tell, there's nothing there. So you do get privacy glass as well across the back third of the vehicle. Nothing on the door there, no scuffs on the wing mirror caps, which is usually a culprit area for most people's bad driving. Got second alloy there. Does come with parking sensors on the front, so there's one each corner. I'll have to sort of get a bit close to show you that one there. As you can see, blend in a little bit there. And then your other couple are just there, another one just there, so you are quite well covered at the front. And then onto the second alloy there. And second wing mirror. And I'll give you that same shot down this way. You can see it's even better when you got something to reflect against it, because it really does show up if there's anything wrong. And then moving on, get to the last alloy, and then we'll just go to the boot, pop that open, just make sure it's open this time. There we go. So just as I'm opening this, there's a reverse camera there, it makes backing up very easy alongside the sensors on the back as well. So as you can see, there's one in the middle there, and a couple along the bumper. So into the boot there, you can see there's quite a lot of space in these, and there's also a little bit of space under the floor. Say a little, it's actually quite a bit deeper than any other manufacturer will offer there. Does mean you don't get a spare wheel, but no vehicles really come with a spare wheel these days. You get a tyre inflation kit along the side there, and you do get this cover, which is reversible if you want it on the other side, if you want to mount it over here instead of on that side. And you also don't have to take it out if you want to pull the low cover out of the way. Just slides back into there, it's nice and clear. I'll just shut the boot now, and then just into the back seats. So I don't know how well you can see there, but there's quite a bit of leg room in these. And just fold down the rear seat there, and as you can see it does get nearly flat there. Okay, so on to some interior features. You do get electric windows all round and folding door mirrors. Leave the door open for a bit of extra light this time of day. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just start the engine up, show the mileage, show that it doesn't have any issues actually starting. Wouldn't expect it to, being a 21 plate car. And that's me not having my seatbelt on, I'll just clear that. There we go. So as you can see there, the mileage 14,701 there. It's currently showing 41.8 miles per gallon, however you can get quite a bit better than that. I suspect it's had a bit of a heavy foot in it in the past, or it's just been doing a lot of town driving really. So other features, you do get automatic lights and automatic wipers in this model. You also get adaptive cruise control there with the button for your distance from the vehicle in front there. You also get lane keep assist, that one. Then on the other side, this is to go through all your trip computer and all your menus. And then you've got your phone functions and your voice control. You also get a little volume rocker switch there, which is quite handy. Then onto the centre console. Navigation's already up, as it has got navigation on it, and it shows our location there. You also get quite a few sources for your music. So as you can see there's pretty much everything you can think of. You've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in there, which is represented by the phone. You do get dual zone climate control as well. So as you can see, 17.5 there, and what we can do is we can also turn off the synchronise. There you go. Change independently of each other then. What you've got to do to get them back together, sync, and there you go, both on 17.5 now. We'll turn that off for the time being. So you get a manual 6-speed gearbox in these. You do get an electronic parking brake with a brake hold function. You also get auto stop start that you can turn off with that button, and an economy mode, which will increase that figure there, so I suspect it's been driven without that on. And then just underneath the centre console here, if I can get the angle right, you've got a few more connectors there with a really nice design touch. And then just under this little bit here, if I can get the right angle for you, There you go, you can see there's a couple of little grooves to put your wires through. So you can have something down the back there plugged in with the wire coming up and through here for you. So just on to the last couple of little features in this vehicle. So you do have some lovely seats in here first before I get onto this. But you do get a centre armrest there, slides back and lifts up, and then you've got another charging point there, which is brilliant if you ask me, because it means you don't have to cram all your devices under there. You can have another one under here and it keeps it out of the way and charging. And just before we carry on, just show you in the glove box, you do have all your locking wheel nuts and your book pack with everything in it there, including the service book. However, there will be photos of that if you want to have a look at that one. So if there's anything I've not covered in this video, or you want some more information, or you'd even like to come down and view the vehicle, just give us a ring and we'll see what we can do. Thanks, take care.